This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan Eason. Look at this amazing view. This 2 years young Delray Floorplan boasts 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, gorgeous wood-look tile flooring throughout the main living area, and carpet in the bedrooms. The kitchen has quartz counters, upgraded stainless steel appliances and custom lighting. There are several custom-built wall features throughout the home and a large screen in Lanai to enjoy the beautiful sunsets all year round. Cascades is a 55-plus community with loads of social activities and a low HOA of $332 a month, which covers all your lawn care needs, full cable and internet, clubhouse with heated pool and spa, fitness center, pickle ball, tennis and bocce courts, and a gated entrance. Riverhall Country Club is just down the street, where you can pay as you play golf or enjoy a night out of dinner and drinks with friends and family. Come see what Cascades has to offer, you will love it here. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Eason at 239-213-8555.